Starting next Monday, January 31, private gatherings will be allowed up to 4 people or 2 family bubbles.
Premier François Legault easing some COVID restrictions in Quebec, happening in 2 phases. Starting Monday, Quebecers in small groups will be able to gather indoors or meet for a meal at a restaurant.
Restaurants will be open their dining rooms at 50% capacity, 4 people maximum or 2 family bubbles per table with the vaccination passport.
It was important to reopen our dining room. Many owners faced difficulty because there was no income that was coming in. But with a new reopening on January 31st, they can expect to have some income for February and to be ready for Valentine's Day and the Super Bowl.
Also on January 31st, school sports and extracurricular activities will be able to resume, and sports outside of school can start up again for those under 18 years old for a maximum of 25 people. Practices only, no games or tournaments.
We will then have a second phase on February the 7th. We will allow performance halls and cinemas to open at 50% capacity with a maximum of 500 people.
Places of worship will also be able to reopen in the second phase starting February 7th at a 50% capacity, a maximum of 250 people, and the vaccine passport in place.
We have to be humble. Nobody thought at the beginning of last December that we would have this 5th wave, very high wave like we had in the last weeks. So we have to be careful. So far, when you look at the projections for the next few weeks, it looks like the situation will improve.
We need to have a plan so that when the situation will be better in hospitalization in our hospital network, that we can loosen up the restriction that we have in restaurants.
The province now with an online platform for citizens to declare positive rapid tests. As of Monday, 540,000 Quebecers had yet to get a first dose.
We have the capacity right now to vaccinate at least 125,000 Quebecers per day. In the last 2 days, we did barely 80,000. And the best way to protect ourselves and to reopen the society as quickly as possible is to get vaccinated.
The Premier assuring his government will bolster the healthcare system, putting out a call for people to go into the nursing profession.
It will take some time to increase the capacity of our hospitals, and in the meantime, we must remain cautious.
In Montreal, Alyssia Rubertucci, City News.